Rare affordable spacious home in a quiet, well-maintained park with no age restrictions. This 1991 Skyline Oaksprings home needs your custom touches and repairs to fit in west/the well-kept neighborhood. Light and bright floor plan west/cathedral ceilings in the main living areas. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, appx 1,680 square feet. Kitchen offers lots of counter space and appliances are included. Laundry/mud room with additional storage. There is a carport plus additional parking space. Significant cleanup needs to be done, needs fresh paint, new flooring and repairs as well. Cash only, please.